how to make Facebook account private. So if you want to make your Facebook account private, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. After opening your Facebook, you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, and tap on settings. Now, we don't have a particular option to turn our account private, but in order to make it, you just need to simply scroll down and go with your audience and visibility. Here you can go with how people find and contact you. And here you need to go with who can send you friend request. You can select friends of friends or only the approved ones. And under who can see your friend list, you can select only me. And you can go with all of the other options and then select only me. And then go with your post, stories. You can select only friends and not public. And you can also go with privacy checkup. Under privacy checkup, you can go with the first option, which is who can see what you share. And once you tap on it, you can go with continue. And here you need to set all of your profile information to only me. Once you've selected only me on each and every information, your profile will be set as a private profile, or your account will be set as a private account. You can go with next, which is on the bottom, and then again set everything as private or only friends, and then go with next, and that's it. Now again tap on next and you're all set. That's how you can make your Facebook account private, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.